Hello guys, how are you all? This is Sonu and I'm back with another exciting kheer recipe for you all guys. Now, speciality of this recipe is this is a super delicious vegan recipe guys. Hope you all would like it. Now let us quickly begin. So, these are our basic ingredients required for our recipe guys. We have fresh coconut, semolina or also called as suji. We have jaggery and I have taken saffron or kesar. Here we also need to add elaichi guys, which is also called as cardamom. Now our first step is to make our coconut milk guys. Add coconut, 1 cup of coconut to your mixer and 1 cup of water to it. Grind it and you will have a paste like this. Now you have to separate your milk from the coconut guys. Take a clean cloth and pour your paste to it. Now you have to squeeze all the milk from the coconut guys. Thoroughly squeeze it. And finally, you will get a residue like this. Our coconut milk is ready. Now, the next step is to roast your suji guys. I have taken 1/4 cup of suji or semolina. The perfect measurements are available in the below description box. Now this is done. The next step is now we are preparing our kheer. Firstly, you need to add 1 cup of water to your kadhai. Let the water boil. Once the water is boiled, you need to add your semolina to it. Thoroughly stir it. You need to cook it well. Now this is the time to add our jaggery. The measurement of jaggery can be increased or decreased according to your taste. If you like more sweet, you can add more jaggery to it, else reduce the quantity. Thoroughly mix it and see that your jaggery dissolves thoroughly with your suji. Once this is done, meanwhile you have to soak your saffron in water guys, so that it leaves a beautiful color. Keep it aside for 3 to 4 minutes. The saffron will dissolve in water. Keep on stirring your mixture and finally you need to add 1 cup of your coconut milk, which we have squeezed earlier from the coconut, right? Now add your saffron to it, saffron water to it, and thoroughly mix it. Now at this stage, you need to increase the flame of your stove guys and keep on stirring until you get the required consistency. Then now you have to add your elaichi powder. After adding the elaichi, a beautiful aroma comes out. The fragrance of your elaichi and saffron is just beautiful guys. You can see our kheer is getting ready. You can see the thickness of the kheer at this stage. And finally, you need to add your dry fruits. I have added akroot, guys. Your kheer is ready to serve now. Remove it in a bowl. And garnish it with few saffron strings at last and few dry fruits. These are the roasted akroot which I am adding. Your kheer is ready. So that was our super delicious, healthy and most importantly vegan kheer recipe, guys. Hope you all like this recipe, and in this recipe there are no animal products used, guys, and if you taste this once you will not feel that there is any no ghee added in it. So you all definitely try this recipe and give me all your comments and views about it in the below comment box. Thank you all for watching the video. We'll soon be back with another exciting video just like this again, guys. Till then, keep eating and stay healthy. Bye-bye.